Greetings to everyone. My name is Elton Langa and I'm a student of UP. I'm doing English as my course. In this video, we'll be talking about some issues related to what we use in our lessons when we are teaching. First of all, we are going to start by presenting what is essential in a lesson. So that is a lesson plan. So a lesson plan, in a few words, is something that a teacher uses to prepare a lesson in advance instead of just going to a class and improvise it. So he prepares the lesson plan in advance in order to teach the students. In a lesson plan, we have some points that should be included. The first one is the objective of the class. And after that, we have the material that we can use to supplement the lesson, and this material can be called visual aids or other stuffs like flashcards, worksheet, and so on. Depending on the age of the students that we want to teach, we can use many materials in order to support their learning process. Instead of just speaking or writing or asking students to read, we can use what we call visual aids, pictures, data show, and other kind of material that help students remember and understand the information that's being delivered. We have here some examples of visual aids that we can use in a class depending on the age, as I said before. We have here some material related to when we are teaching about professions. We brought here some visual aids. We have here the traffic police, for example. We have here a driver, and we have here a fireman. So as I said before, we use visual aids to support spoken information. This helps students to remember what they've learned. They might not remember the spelling or how to write the word, but by looking at the thing, they can recall what they've learned. Besides that, we have many other types of visual aids when we want to teach vocabulary, for example, related to animals. We have two kinds of animals. We have wild animals, and we also have domestic animals. Here, some example, of domestic animals that are those that we have them in our homes, in our house, So we have an example here of a pig, that one of domestic animals. And we also have here a tiger, that is a wild animal that normally we don't have it in our houses. Going on, we have many other things that can support us in our teaching process. Depending on the age of the students that we are teaching, we can choose what we want to use in order to teach them. We can also use visual aids to talk about daily activities. We have here a picture of a woman that is sleeping. So the student can hear sleeping and see what is being done in the picture, so the student can easily remember what is being told. We also have here a picture of someone that is drawing. So we can say that drawing is what the person is doing in this picture.